Now today we are going to start conic section in geometry. This is important chapter. In conic section there are three parts. One is parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So in parabola, whatever is their concept, same like that in ellipse and hyperbola also. But the standard form of the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, those are different. Okay. Now, what is conic section? Definition of a conic. See here, the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to its perpendicular distance from fixed straight line is always a constant is called conic section. So here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a fixed straight line, and yes, alpha comma beta we are taken, that is fixed point. P is the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to, that means SP distance, to its perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line. PM is called here perpendicular distance from P to the line. Now the ratio of both the distances is equal to constant. So here I am writing SP length divided by PM length. SP means S2P distance. PM means P is perpendicular distance from point to the line. The ratio of the both the distances is equal to E. That is constant. Constant means here I am taking E. Okay. So SP by PM is equal to E is called a conic section. What is S? S is fixed point. Fixed point called as focus. The fixed point we are calling focus. Then what is the line? L is equal to 0. This is fixed straight line. Fixed straight line. The fixed straight line is called directrix. Directrix. Okay. Fixed point is called focus. Fixed straight line is called directrix. Now, the line passing through focus perpendicular to directrix, that is called axis. This line is called, we will say that, axis of conic. Axis of conic. And fixed constant E. E is the constant. E is called, what is the name? Eccentricity. Eccentricity. Okay. This is the conic sections definition. Now, by observing the eccentricity, we will say that the conic is which type of the curve. Or suppose if eccentricity is equal to 1, the conic is a parabola. A parabola. If eccentricity is less than 1, the conic is a ellipse. an ellipse if eccentricity is greater than 1. The conic is a hyperbola. Hyperbola. E is equal to 1 means parabola. Less than 1 means ellipse. Greater than 1 means hyperbola. If E is equal to 0, the conic is a circle. Eccentricity is 0 means we will say that conic section is a circle. If E is equal to infinite, then the conic section is a pair of straight lines. A pair of straight lines. Okay, so these things already you know very well, I think. Now, how to find general equation of a conic? Now, see, general equation of a conic. How to find the general equation of a conic? They will give you that focus, directrix. Now, say this. This is fixed straight line. So this is axis of the conic. This is fixed point S. Now this is the locus P. Take that x1 comma y1, or take alpha beta also, no problem. Okay, I am taking x1 comma y1. Focus is alpha comma beta, and distance between PS. This is, draw the line perpendicular to directrix passing through P. This point take M. The line is, I am taking ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is the condition in conic section? SP by PM is equal to E. E is here constant. So the constant we are denoting E. So, and finally E is calling as eccentricity. Now see here, take cross multiplication. SP is equal to EPM. What is SP? Perpendicular distance from, distance between S and P. That is x1 minus alpha whole square plus y1 minus beta whole square under root, that is equal to E into, what is PM here? PM is perpendicular distance from point P to the directrix. Now perpendicular distance formula I am applying, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. Next, here how to do that? Do squaring on both sides. After that, apply the cross multiplication also at a time. What we get? A square plus b square into x1 minus alpha whole square plus y1 minus beta whole square, that is equal to e square into ax1 plus by1 plus c whole square, and simplify this, we will get equation of conic. So how we are finding the equation of conic? When they are given focus and a fixed point and fixed straight. equation of locus is equation of locus. Equation of finally answer. This is a square plus b square into x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square, that is equal to e square into x plus by plus c whole square. This is equation of general equation of Conic. I think already you know very well this. Now, in general, how we are writing that Conic means in the form of like this. The general equation of Conic is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is general equation of conic is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. When it is going to represent either parabola or ellipse or hyperbola or circle, whatever may be, how to recognize conic section? So here a delta formula, we know that. What is the delta formula? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Okay. How to recognize the conic is a parabola or ellipse or hyperbola, like that. See here, first point. If delta not equal to 0, h square is equal to AB. So the conic is representing a parabola. Parabola. They will give that one equation of conic. It is representing either parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. How to identify means by using these formulas. If delta not equal to 0 and h square is less than AB, now the conic section is representing ellipse. Now, if delta not equal to 0, h square greater than AB, now the conic section is hyperbola. Next, if delta not equal to 0, h square greater than AB and A plus B is equal to 0. It is representing rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. So hyperbola two types: general hyperbola and rectangular hyperbola. conic section having the center or not? Now, center of conic. This formula also already we know that in pair of straight line. Center of conic. This is the formula. HF minus BC by AB minus H square, comma, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. This is how to find center of conic section formula. Now we are going to discuss the conic section in first part, that is the parabola. What is a parabola? Already we have discussed eccentricity is 1 means the conic section is parabola. Now observe the definition. The locus of a point in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point is always equal to its distance from a fixed straight line is called parabola. For the parabola, eccentricity is 1. We know very well. Now, what is the diagram of the parabola? See here carefully. So this is fixed straight line, and this line is passing through fixed point S. And what is the locus means? Draw the one more line. This is how to think fixed straight line. Draw the curve. This is. Where is the point P? I think this is the P. Now this is fixed straight line. This is a fixed straight line. L is equal to 0. This is a fixed point. This is a fixed, and this is the locus of P. Locus of P. This point you have to take one. And this point is, we will say the vertex. What is the vertex means? So first, this is axis. This is axis of the conic. The point of intersection of axis and conic is called vertex of the conic. So here, the point of intersection of axis and this conic. The conic is parabola now. This is a vertex A. Here, axis we are treating as x-axis and perpendicular to this. This is y-axis. Okay, this is parabola definition. How to derive that? Standard form of the parabola. Now see, standard form. Standard form of a parabola. In parabola definition, already you know that SP is equal to PM. This is, remember it. Now, how to derive the standard form of the parabola? That is important. Here, take that one fixed point and fixed straight line. Already we are taken here. Here assume that let focus S is equal to A comma 0. A comma 0. This is point you have to think Z. Let focus is A comma 0 and vertex is origin. And here we know that SA is equal to AZ. These two distances are equal. Now, what is the Z point? Z point is minus A comma 0. So By observing that, what is equation of directrix? The directrix passing to z only at x is equal to minus c. So here I am writing equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. What is that? L is equal to x plus a. This is equation of directrix. We know the definition. We know the definition. By the definition, what is the condition? By the definition, SP is equal to PM. What is P here? Let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. Okay. Now use this condition. S already we know that, and L also we know that, P also we know that. SP, distance between these two. What is that? X1 minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square under root is equal to PM. PM is perpendicular distance from point to the directrix. That is mod x1 plus a divided by root 1. Then how to do that? Do the squaring on both sides. We get answer. Now apply the squaring on both sides. We get x1 minus a whole square plus y1 square, that is equal to x1 plus a whole square. Okay. Now y1 square is equal to x1 plus a whole square minus, so left hand side term I am sending to right hand side. This is, now that is, observe that that is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is the formula? 4ab now. 4ax1. Therefore, equation of locus is y square is equal to 4ax. Here a is greater than 0. Okay. Whenever we are taking standard form, a is always greater than 0. This is the derivation of standard form of a parabola. Now we are going to definitions. So see here carefully. First to draw the diagram. This is axis. This is y-axis. And this is directrix. Directrix. This is the parabola. This is focus. Now here observe that this is treated as x-axis. This is y-axis. This is actually vertex of the parabola A, and it is origin only. This is already, you know that L is equal to 0, fixed straight line. That is directrix. This is Z. This is S. Now the line joining two points on the curve is called chord. Chord. This is A point. This is P point. Now, the chord passing through focus, the chord passing through focus is called focal chord. This is focal chord. Now, the chord is perpendicular to axis passing through focus. This is called lattice rectum. These two are perpendicular. This is L, this is L dash. Now, the chord is passing through the point P and perpendicular to axis. This is, we will say that, double ordinate. Double ordinate. Now see the one by one. This is double ordinate. Double ordinate. Next, the red color line is focal chord. Focal chord. Next, this blue color line is lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. This is chord. These are all chords only, but different forms. What about this line? Directrix. Directrix. Now A is called vertex. What is S? S is called focus. Okay. So end points of the lattice rectum. Already you know that A comma plus R minus 2A. So those we will discuss later. First copy this. Once again see. What is the chord? The line joining 2 points on the curve, on the parabola, is called chord. The chord passing through focus is called focal chord. The chord passing through focus perpendicular to axis is called lattice rectum. The chord passing through the point on the parabola perpendicular to axis is called double ordinate. Now this is the line passing through focus is called, this is axis. Now here, tangent at vertex, this is tangent at vertex is y-axis. The point of intersection of x and y-axis origin you know very well. So vertex A is 0, 0. Okay. So this is a diagram of standard form of a parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax only. Here A is greater than